Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern Jive clip showing you how to do a first move shoulder spin. You need to know how to do a first move already, and having had some experience with spins would be useful too. I'll put links in the description below so you can go back and cover that stuff in case you haven't done already, but assuming you're ready for it, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's break it down. It starts like a standard first move. We go back. We're coming in side by side as we would in a normal first move, but instead of going for the hip, we go for the shoulder. So we end up side by side, left hand by the left shoulder, right hand cupped over the lady's far shoulder. And guys, as we look like we're going to do the twist out for the lady, we actually head forwards and accelerate the lady more with the hand on the shoulder. We keep the lady moving, we let go with the left, so we're spinning the lady past, catching as she comes out. Guys, step over to the left. The energy she had going away from us will set us up to do a travelling return instead of a return, and we're done. So we'll do that from the other side, give you the other view, and we'll talk numbers. So it goes back 1, side by side, 2, spinning through 3, catching 4, over the top 5, and back 6. Let's try it together and see how we go. 5, 6, a first move shoulder spin. We go a back, in, spin, catch, over the top, and stop. Now this is a variation I don't tend to use, purely because there's another variation that looks very similar that produces the same result. So I could do a first move push behind, come in, flatten the hand. In fact, I'll pop a link to the push behind in the description. That way you can learn the other one and make your own judgments. And you actually get the same result of spinning the lady through without coming to the shoulder. This one I don't think is too bad. Some of the shoulder spins, it feels a little bit like you're grappling with the lady's throat, so I'm not a big fan. This one you can come in nice and wide and it doesn't feel too bad. It doesn't feel like you're invading the lady's space too much, so it still works okay. But learn both. You decide which one you want to use. Okay, that's it. We covered everything. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Subscribing helps promote the channel, so a big thank you to everyone who does that. Music recommendation on the end. One of the videos that comes up in the windows in the last few seconds of the clip will be music recommendation, something nice to practice this to. And we'll see you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.